The 2009 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual front airbags, four-wheel ABS, power steering, air conditioning, front, keyless entry, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, bed liner, power door locks, trip odometer, security system, power windows, chrome wheels, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power driver mirror, tilt steering wheel, towing package, vanity mirrors, tinted glass. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.